Have you ever heard of Moringa and its miraculous benefits? Welcome to the world of this extraordinary plant, known to many as the miracle tree or tree of life. Moringa is a powerhouse of health benefits, packed with medicinal and nutritional properties that can transform your life. It's not just a plant, it's a lifestyle enhancer, a natural remedy, and a nutritional superstar. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of this incredible plant? Stay tuned to discover the 15 uses and benefits of this amazing plant. Did you know Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse? Jam-packed with a myriad of essential nutrients, Moringa leaves stand out in their richness. They boast an impressive lineup of vitamins A, C, and E, but that's not all. Moringa doesn't skimp on minerals either. It's loaded with calcium and potassium. And let's not forget the protein. Yes, this humble green leafy plant certainly holds its own on the nutritional front. That's right, this green leafy plant is a complete package of nutrients. Ever thought of a natural way to boost your immunity? Let's dive into how Moringa can be your ally. With an impressive concentration of vitamin C in its leaves, Moringa is a potent immunity enhancer. This vitamin is well known for its role in supporting a healthy immune response. It aids in fighting off harmful pathogens and keeps you strong and healthy. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, consider Moringa. It's nature's way of saying, I've got you covered. Are you seeking a natural remedy for your skin problems? Moringa might be your answer. This green superfood is packed with antioxidants that can help combat skin damage, reduce wrinkles, and improve complexion. Its healing properties aid in repairing damaged skin cells and promoting the growth of new ones. The result? A radiant, youthful glow. So, whether you're dealing with acne, dry skin, or just seeking a natural glow, Moringa can be your secret to glowing, healthy skin. Looking for a natural anti-inflammatory? Moringa might just be your answer. This potent plant is packed with isothiocyanates, compounds that boast impressive anti-inflammatory capabilities. They work by suppressing the body's inflammatory enzymes and proteins, helping to reduce inflammation. Whether it's chronic inflammation or a temporary flare-up, Moringa can provide a natural and beneficial solution. It's like having a personal green pharmacist right in your backyard. So Moringa not only nourishes but also heals. Need an energy boost? Look no further than Moringa. This nutrient-rich plant is packed with iron and vitamin B, two key elements that can significantly ramp up your energy levels. Iron plays a crucial role in oxygen transport and energy production, while vitamin B helps convert food into fuel, keeping you energized throughout the day. So when that mid-afternoon slump hits, reach for some Moringa. It's not just an energy booster, it's a natural, healthful way to keep your body going. Moringa, a natural energy booster that keeps you going. Struggling with digestive issues? Here's a natural solution you might not have considered: Moringa. This nutritional powerhouse is packed with fiber, making it an excellent resource for promoting a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids in digestion by adding bulk to the stool, which can help to prevent constipation. Including Moringa in your diet can contribute to maintaining a smooth and regular digestive routine. So, if you're seeking a natural remedy for digestive health, give Moringa a try. Moringa can help keep your digestive system on track. Are you battling high blood sugar? If so, Moringa could be your new best friend. This incredible plant has been shown in studies to help reduce blood sugar levels. The compounds found in Moringa work much like insulin in the body, aiding in the breakdown of sugars and ensuring they're used for energy rather than building up in your bloodstream. This natural approach could be a game changer for those dealing with blood sugar issues. Moringa might be a natural way to manage your blood sugar levels. So, are you ready to make Moringa a part of your life? We've journeyed through the nutritional powerhouse that Moringa is, its immunity-boosting qualities, skin benefits, anti-inflammatory properties, energy-enhancing aspects, and its role in digestive health and lowering blood sugar levels. Indeed, Moringa is a gift from nature, packed with a myriad of uses and benefits. Remember, nature has given us many gifts, and Moringa is one of them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. Until next time, stay healthy.